On here, and I help authors who are speakers, coaches, and network marketers who want to learn how to leverage their books to generate multiple streams of income get to the bag. So listen, on today's training, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to be able to literally create bulk content for your social media. Well, I'm going to be testing it out with you. So I saw this online. I'm going to test it out for myself. And then I'm going to utilize an all-in-one software that we actually have for our Book Profits Club family members. And I'm going to show you how to be able to bulk set your social media posts to go out. Okay, so let's get into this. All right, we're going to try it out together. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this, guys. So we have a couple of different tools that we're going to be utilizing. One, we're going to be utilizing Canva. The next, we're going to be utilizing our all-in-one software, and well, not the next, and then we're also going to be utilizing an AI software that I like to use that's called Jasper. Now, there are tons of AI softwares out there, artificial intelligence, that you can use, but this is the one that I use. I know a lot of people are using different ones, so we're just going to dive into that one. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about literally how to create bulk content for your social media, and then how to be able to upload it all in less than, like, hopefully 30 minutes or less. So we're gonna test it out. So let's go ahead and put a timer up here. I'm gonna, matter of fact, you know what I'm gonna do, just to see how quickly I can do that? I'm going to go ahead and put a timer up here of 30 minutes so you guys can see it on the screen, and we're going to see how long it's going to take for us to get this done. Hold on, let me put a little background on here. Boom, bam, and boom. Okay, so let's get into this. 30 minutes or less. So I'm going to share my screen, and I'm going to keep myself up here so y'all can see me. Hold on, let me see. We'll make this a tall type of video, you know what I'm saying, so you can see what's popping, locking, and dropping. I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller. All right, and as you guys come on in, please go ahead and let me know. Hey Roz, how you doing? Hello, hello, hello. Hold on. Okay, there you go. Hey Roz. Okay, so the first thing that I want to do is I want to use my artificial intelligence software to create the content. So what I want to do is to create, I'm gonna have it to create 10, actually I'll do 7 for one per day. Okay, so I'm gonna have it to create 7 quotes or tips like that to inspire authors or something like that, right? So we're gonna go ahead and go to Jasper. We're gonna log in. I guess I shouldn't have really put my timer, but I'm gonna keep it rocking and rolling right now. You know what I'm saying? Because I believe we could do this in less than 30 minutes. So let's go ahead and pull up. So Jasper is an artificial intelligence software. And you know, it's funny because some people hate it, some people love it. Listen, it helps to guide you. You could do with it what you will. I'm gonna go to this place that says documents because I like to start from scratch. And I am going to have Jasper to create for me 7 different tips for writing a book or marketing a book. So matter of fact, I'll do 3 marketing tips, or 3 writing book writing tips, and 3 marketing tips. So I'm going to say write 3 tips to help speakers, coaches, and network marketers write their book. Okay, and so I'm going to go ahead and add this in here, make this large, and let's see. It's going to probably make it super long though. That's the thing. I've been trying to get the little bullet points. Okay, so let's go ahead. 3 tips. That is not. Okay, write 3 tips to help with writing and completing a book. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and see what it's going to do. Start an outline. Okay, that's cool. It's, of course, like I said, it's going to give all of this, and we're not going to use all of that, but we can use some of it. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. All right, okay, seek feedback, okay, from trusted source. Okay, so great. So I'm going to take this content, and I'm not going to use all of this. I'm just going to use the this portion right here, but you'll see what I'm going to do, right? So what I want to do is I'm going to create a spreadsheet as well, right? So let me go ahead and open up. I'm on my Mac, so I'm going to use Numbers, which is the same thing as, like, you know, Excel spreadsheet. So let's open up Numbers. All right, here we go. New. And we're going to open this up. Matter of fact, I downloaded a template with the software that we're going to use, but I'm going to open up that right quick. So here we go. Because I just want to make sure that I do everything correctly as far as the content. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I'm going to take that long text and make that the caption, and then I'm going to make this be the actual image design, okay? So you'll see what I mean. So we're going to copy this, and we're going to paste this here for the caption, content 1, and then I haven't even read it, by the way, which I guess I can read it later on, but I'm just going to, you know what I'm saying, number 2, and then number 3, all right? So boom. And paste this here. Now we're going to go ahead and delete this. Okay, y'all. Delete that. I'm going to delete these numbers as well. And I'm going to go ahead and put this into a spreadsheet like so. And then I need to get, that is not correct. Why do that? Okay, let me see if I can just, boom. Oh, child, it's not doing right. Hold on. I'm going to create an Excel because I don't know if numbers is tripping right now. So where we at? 25 minutes. And how y'all doing today as you guys come on in? So what I'm doing is I'm taking the tips that it gave me and I'm going to put them into an Excel spreadsheet. I was trying to use numbers, but numbers is tripping. So let's see if I go ahead and just paste it into here and if it'll give me what I want. I don't want to have to take too much time to, paste into stuff. There we go. That's what I wanted. I wanted it to put it all in one line. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to Jasper. I'm going to get it to write 4 more tips. So I wanted to write 4 motivational tips to help writers complete their books. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what it comes up with. All right. Okay, this is nice and short. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go ahead and paste these in. Now, of course, y'all, you're going to want to make sure it makes sense, that it relates to something that you actually teach on. You don't just want to be, saying stuff that you don't really actually teach. So I have 7 tips, 1 for each day. Okay. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is download this CSV file. And I'm going to call this CSV file my, it's untitled spreadsheet. It don't ask you to save it. You got to save it before you download it. But I'm going to call this 7 tips. Okay. And then we'll close numbers out since numbers wasn't really working for us. All right. All right. So now what I want to do is we have our tips and I want to go to Canva to create the design. Okay. So I've gone ahead and gone to Canva already. And I'm going to click on create design and I'm going to type in reels, because what I'm going to do is make some Instagram reels. By the way, this can work for anything if you want to do the square images as well, but I want to do 7 Instagram reels. Okay. And so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in over here tips. Okay. So I'm going to type, not tips, quotes, because I wanted to give me like the little quote looks. Okay. So quotes. All right. So you see, we have all these really cool quotes. And so this one, I think I like this. I'm going to use this design. Okay. So I'm going to use this design to add in the little tips and stuff like that. Okay. Now, this is fire, y'all. So watch this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to apps. And then what I want to do is I'm going to type in the chat bulk for it to search for bulk. Oh, that didn't do it. Here we go. Bulk. Well, that didn't give it to me, child. Let me find it real quick then. Hold on. Let's see. We are going to utilize. I'm pretty sure it's bulk. Let me try it again. Bulk. No. Text. Oh, I already have it right here. Bulk create. So I'm sorry. It's already up here. So when you go to apps and you search bulk, it should pull up this one called bulk create, but I already added it. So I am going to go ahead and try to go ahead and upload the CSV file that I just made. So what we're going to do is click on up. So when you got to first go to apps though. Okay. So you're going to go to upload CSV. And then what you want to do is find that CSV file right here, 7 tips, okay? And so now I'm going to go ahead and click right here where I want it to go, which is going to be in this area where this text is going to be. I told y'all I'm trying this raw with y'all because I haven't really played with it. I was messing around with it, but not fully. Okay, so is it not going to give it to me? Right click. Oh, here we go. Right click. That's what you got to do. So you got to right click here on the text and you're going to click on connect data. Here we go. And then you're going to start with an outline. Great. So here's the uploaded CSV and I'm going to click continue. Perfect. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and generate the 6 pages. And so then it's going to open them all up on a separate video. See, I'm about to do this, y'all. This is really, really quick. Okay. Okay, so now it's going to create all these videos. Now, this is the thing. I don't really want it to have this background, like, because, you know, that don't really make sense for the brand. So I'm going to update it so that it actually has a different background. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here to elements and I'm going to search like books. And then I'm going to search videos. And I just want to have like different videos and whatnot of books. I'm going to drag and drop this one in here. That's pretty cool. And then I can drag and drop like a different book background. Let's see, what's this? Okay. And then I'm going to drag. Oh, but see, this is like 29 seconds. We don't really need it to be all them seconds. We're just going to make it like, you know, 10 seconds. Okay. 10 seconds. Okay. And then we're going to, let me see, what's this? I'm going to drag and drop this one. We're going to make it 10 seconds. Okay. Less than 10. Okay, great. And then let me go find something else. See, I'm not doing too much. You just, you know, boom. Oops. I went to the wrong one. Okay. I'm going to drag and drop this on here. Do it again. There we go. Okay, make that 10. Okay, that's about 10 seconds. Okay. Let's see, what else do we have of books? And by the way, when I searched books, I just went up here and clicked on videos so that it could give me the nice little video background. Okay. And this is 5 seconds. So that's fine. I'll keep it at 5. And then you see how some of these are too big. That's fine. We'll fix it real quick. And so here we go. All right. And 10 seconds. Okay. So then I'm just going to look to make sure they all look good. Let's see. I probably could have added like my logo before I duplicated them all. But for now, I'm just going to, you know, go with what we got. Okay. And let's see here. What's this one? This one. Okay. And then this one. All right, so we just created 7 pieces of content. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and download them. Now, the only thing about Canva is that it downloads them all together. So you have to download them individually. I don't even know why it does that. I don't know. That's new to me. But we're going to go ahead and click on we want it to download as a video. And so we're going to then go here, unless y'all know better, y'all can let me know. So we're going to go ahead and click on each one to download it, right? Now, the only thing is, well, what we're about to do next is we're going to go ahead and create. Now, if you're doing images, by the way, you don't have to do this for images. You can just download them all separately and it will make them all individual images. But when you do the videos on here, it puts it all together as one video. I don't know. They need to create an opportunity where you can separate it because we don't need them all together, right? But anyway, so I'm downloading these real quick and then I'm going to upload them because I'm doing reels. Now, if I was doing images, I wouldn't have to, again, like I said, download them individually. And then with the software, we're going to bulk upload our items with just one CSV file. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and I'm going to create a folder. So I'm going to go into my Google Drive and I want to create a folder that's going to have all of the items in there. Okay. And so let's just go in here to, let's see, do I got a social media file folder, right? Great. Where are we at? We're at 16 minutes. Let's see what we can do, y'all. Woo! I'm feeling stressed. Okay. Not really, but you know what I'm saying. Okay, let me make sure. Is everything downloaded? Okay, some of the stuff is still downloading. So while everything is downloading, I'm going to go ahead and still upload the documents that I've already downloaded, okay? So here we go. We're going to go ahead and upload these 4 to here. And then remember the first 4 though, the first 4 that we did, they already have some caption with it, right? So we're just going to attach them to the correct spreadsheet, okay? So let me show y'all what I'm saying, right? Let me show y'all what I'm saying. So I'm going to go here to this spreadsheet that we just created, and right here, this template design. And what we're going to do is we're going to, right here, this template design, we're going to go ahead and upload the content that goes there. Oh, I didn't mean to close that. I just realized that. Close the content. Delete. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Here's the content right here. Perfect. Okay. So this remember we got the first 3 and we had writing tips, and then the next 4 were going to be additional details as far as like motivational type things, right? So in this bulk upload where we're going to use our BPC system, what we are going to do is we have to upload the day and the time, as well as the content, if we're going to have content, and what the URLs are going to be, right? So I already know the URLs for all of the content, right? So this is going to be the first one. So I'm going to go ahead and click on get link, copy. And remember, let me just open this up real quick just to make sure it's correct. Oh, it's still bulk loading. So let me just open it right here and make sure. Set aside regular time, okay? And so let's go to that spreadsheet and make sure that we're putting it beside the right thing. Set aside, yep. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put image, video URL, which is right here. Great. Then, hold on, get link. Copy. Actually, anyone with the link, copy. Hopefully it'll let us use this. We'll see. Because it's supposed to be an MP4. So we're going to test it out, y'all. We're going to test it out. If not, we might have to do Dropbox. Okay. All right. So this is number 1. This is the next one. We're going to copy this link. All right. Anyone with link. I'm going to put editor and copy that. And then I'm going to paste this under the second line. And then we have the 4th one, the 3rd one, which is this one right here. We're going to copy that. Now, remember the other ones that we created, guys, they did not have a caption, okay? So we're going to just put something there for now, okay? So we got number 3, and then let's go ahead and get number 4 and 5. So this is number 4. And I hope it's going to let me use this. I don't know if it's going to let me use this link. It might require it to say MP4. So if so, then we're going to test that again on another video. But I want to show you. Okay, so then let's go ahead and upload those additional ones. Done. Okay. So we got to upload number 4. And is it downloading the rest of them too? Did I download the rest? I hope I did. Okay, so let's see here. I don't see them all. I might not have downloaded them all. So let me go ahead and download this one. But isn't that cool already, guys? How we just made that bulk, like we created all of these from just literally uploading a spreadsheet. So fire. Okay. Oh, this one ain't fitting all the way. Let me move it up just a bit. Okay. Now, again, I'm just kind of, going through this quickly to see if we can make it happen. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go back over to our spreadsheet, and well, first we got to make sure we upload those other two. So we did upload number 4. So let's go ahead and get the link for that. And if not, then we might have to go over a couple of minutes. So we're not going to count the last few, okay, if we got to do a Dropbox. But we're going to learn together. So where we at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so those last two. So done. All right. Boom. And we're waiting on number 7. Copy. And then we're going to paste this right here. Okay. And then we just have one more that we are downloading. Come on, brother. All right. So while those are downloading, I'm also going to add to this caption that says, do you need help marketing your book? Register for our free masterclass by going to www.10kbook.com, and then I'm going to put like Book Profits Club, book writing help, marketing for books. Okay. And we're going to copy this and make this be for the next ones. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Copy, paste. Okay, great. We're going to update these dates as well in just a second. Show you how this is going to go. All right. Okay, and then let's upload that last video to the folder. Okay. All right. Hopefully I didn't upload the same ones, but this will say number 6. Okay, so let's go ahead and copy that. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. We just want to share it. Get the link. Again, may not possibly work. If not, we'll just upload it to Dropbox to get the official link. Okay, so let's add this video. Oh, I added too many. Okay. So now what we want to do is we also want to add in the actual day, okay? So it is February, as of the recording of this, February the 7th, 2023. And as you notice, it is putting it in the 24-hour. You got to do 2400, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and make it kind of like around the same time every day. So we're going to do 2023. We're going to do February 02 for the second month. And we're going to go the 17th. And then for the time, because it's now, 3:28 as of this recording, I'm going to make this to go out at let's say 3:35, right? So that's going to be 12. The way I do 24 hours, I got to count 12, 13, 14, 15. So that means that's 15, 30, 00, right? So 35. Okay. So we're going to put 1535. So now what I'm going to do is just copy this and paste this in here. And then I'm just going to change the date to be a new day every day. Okay. All right. So we're going to change this to say the 18th. And we're going to have this one to say the 19th. And we'll have this one to say the 20th, February 20th. Where we at? 7 minutes. And the 21st. All right. And the 22nd. All right. And the 23rd. All right. Boom. So now we're going to go ahead and save this file. And let's go ahead and go. Well, let me export it because it's going to try to save it as a numbers file. So we're going to export it as, boom, 7 social reels. Okay. All right. Now let's go to the software. So this is our BPC system software. They're all in one. And so I'm going to go over to the area that is our social media area. And it's going to be under the marketing. So under marketing, we're going to go and you're going to see the social planner. Okay. So now it allows you to connect to all your different platforms. You got Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok. But keep in mind that this is a reel that we're posting, so not all of them are going to allow you to do reels, right? So I'm going to go ahead and upload this CSV file that we just made. It's called 7 Tips. Oh, no. That is not the name of the file. We put it in documents. 7 social reels. Here we go. Let's see what it does. I don't know if it's going to upload those images because, again, like I said, they might need to be .mp4. And so we're going to upload these reels to Instagram. It's not going to let us do LinkedIn. TikTok. I might have to, hold up. I might need to reconnect my Instagram. So let me just double check what's going on. Okay, so yeah, I got to reconnect my Instagram, which, by the way, in order to connect your social profiles, if they're not already connected, you may have to connect them, which is really simple to do. Just make sure that you're logged in to your social media profile first, like log into your Facebook, log into your Instagram and all that stuff. And then all it's going to do is just simply ask you to go in. Now, if you notice, it's still saying reconnect. So you might have to refresh those. For the time purpose, I'm just going to go ahead and try to select this and upload it and get it posted. Okay. So let's go ahead and go to that 7 social reels. And we're going to go ahead and post this here. We're going to select our social accounts. Yeah, it's still not. I'm going to have to probably disconnect it and reconnect it. Don't ask me why. I don't know yet. Okay. All right. So we're going to go here and let's go ahead and click on proceed. I'm going to send for approval. Oh, I don't have to do that. That would be for staff, like if I had a staff person doing it. So let's go ahead and see. And we're going to go here back to you have to select at least one account. I did. I'm going to select all, see what happens. Okay. New post. Upload. 7 social reels. Next. I don't think it's going to let me put them to all, but we'll just see what it does. Proceed. Boom. Okay, so now it is in progress. And so now what it's doing is it's setting it up. So we're going to go here. Let me refresh it real quick to see what it's doing. So without all this talking, y'all, of course it would not take me 30 minutes. I would be able to get and I could probably get way more done much faster, right? So let's go to the scheduled post. Let's see all. Oh, CSV. Review. I think it gave us an error because of the link. TikTok video need a video. Yep. Okay, so now we're going to try Dropbox real quick. We still got 3 minutes and 48 seconds. So let me try Dropbox. As a matter of fact, though, I'm tripping because in our software, I actually can upload all of the videos directly to here. So let me do it that way. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to go to media and I'm going to open up the video, my media library, and I'm going to go here to videos. And then I'm going to create a new folder called social media. So you can host all of your stuff here versus a Dropbox. There would be no additional fee to upload all of your stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and drop these in here like so, like that, and then update the links to reflect that. And that should be good. Then we should be good and set to go. So let's go ahead and delete that real quick. And so let's see here. I am going to have it by name. All right. So what is... Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get the link for this, copy, and let's go ahead and try it like that and see what happens. See, now it says MP4. Okay, so then I need to get the next one. Hold up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, cool. Boom. What we got? 2 minutes and 30 seconds left. Okay, let's see. Oh. Get link, copy, paste it. If this is the case, this is going to be much better anyways, because I can just reuse this content since it's already uploaded. All right, boom. Okay, so now let's go ahead and save that. Again, we're going to export it as a CSV. I'm going to save this as 7 Reels 2. And let's go back to the software. And we're going to go ahead and go back and go to marketing. And we're going to go to social planner. Great. Click new post, upload from CSV. Let's upload the file. And 7 Reels 2. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And we're going to select all of the accounts that we can upload to. Great. Proceed. And in progress. So let's see what it does. Fingers crossed with 1 minute and 25 seconds left. All right, I'm going to refresh it real quick. Again, guys, this is our all-in-one software that we're able to schedule the post and automate our social media post. And there's a lot more that we can do with the social media. But for now, we're just going to go ahead and do that. So let's go here to schedule post. Let's see. Schedule. CSV. Okay, it's still in process. Okay, or it's still in progress. So that's not a bad thing that it's still in progress, because that means it must be working. The links must be effective. Now, of course, it's only going to post these reels to the correct profiles. So now I want to see, though, what is going on with my with these right here. Oh, it did look like it reconnected to my Facebook. So one of the things that I can do is I can go over here to settings. And then I can go to integrations. And then I can go here to make sure that I'm like connected. So I might even, where'd it go? Oh, here we go. I could probably reconnect these accounts or whatever. Let me click on my Instagram and make sure that that's set up. Okay, change. Do I really want to change? All right, well, we have run out of time. Let's go ahead and see why I was trying to see if we could make sure we was connected. You know what I'm saying? All right, connect. All right, so while that's cooking, let's go back over here to the marketing of it all. Let's keep our fingers crossed to CSV review. Oh, look at it. Okay, so we only got one. Oh, it already passed. Doggone it. Well, doggone it. I wonder if we could fix that, because we went past the time. Oh, because I want to see it post. So let's try it again. So I'm just going to do just this one. I ain't going to do all 5 of them. Okay, y'all? I know we over time, but I'm going to do just this one because I want y'all to be able to see it. Because now I got all my stuff set up so that it's going to have these reels to go out on the next day. Let me see. So let's change the time to, let's see, I'll put 3:40. Okay, let's go ahead and export that to CSV. And 1 reel. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go back over here to marketing. Do y'all see that? In less than 30 minutes, I set up 7 days of content. Now, keep in mind, you may want to have, of course, more than one, content per day. But y'all, for real, we just created it in bulk. And then what do? We went ahead and used the BPC system, the all-in-one system, to upload it. And here we go. It's in progress. Okay, so let's hope that this will push it on through and we'll be able to see it actually on our social media posts, right? So anyway, so as you can see right here, for these 7 reels, the additional ones are scheduled for this one is scheduled to go out on tomorrow on these different platforms. Okay. Now I don't know if we were able to reconnect that Instagram, because I was so fast rushing, child. I didn't even check to see. Let me see. Are we connected? I don't think so. I might have to disconnect it and reconnect it. And sometimes when, Instagram and Facebook, they're continuously updating their stuff, it can trip. So you might have to disconnect and reconnect, but that will not take a long time to do. You just disconnect it and then reconnect it back to the system. So anyways, let's go here to CSV. We're going to refresh it one more time. And let's see. What we got, because it is now the 40-minute after. All right, so let's see here. What's this? All right, it says good to go. Okay, so let's see if it went. Let's see if it went. Which ones? So we got LinkedIn. Oh, and then this is my face. This is my LinkedIn group, and then Facebook. So let's go to Facebook and see if it did the video. So my Facebook page. Let's see here. Bruh, move out the way. Okay. Either this is going to be an epic win or we need to figure out what's going on. Reels. Videos. I don't see it. I wish I could be able. Let me try LinkedIn. Let me make sure. I don't think LinkedIn is going to post the video though. It would have been better if we would have been connected to our Instagram, y'all. Okay. All right. Confirm. Like we're gonna have to go and test it again with the images to see, because I'm not seeing it, but it shows that it should have gone through. Oh, it says in draft. Lord Jesus, it's in draft. We didn't make it go live. Wait a minute. Ugh. Why did it say? Why is it in draft? I'm gonna have to figure out how it don't go in draft no more. Okay, well, once I figure out how to get it out of the draft, let's see here. Did I set it up to where maybe it forced it to go into the draft? Let's see, recent posts. Because as you can see, I've used it before. I've definitely put out posts, but I've never tried the bulk. So I told y'all I was trying to keep it out the way real funky with y'all. I was going to try it with y'all and see how it was going to go. I'm wondering though, I'm thinking when it's a video though, it's going to automatically send me a message. But however, again, like I said, because it's a reel. Well, I can show you guys as well if I was to do it like an image. So let me just show that real quick while y'all are still watching. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this as an image just quickly. I'm going to resize it to be 1,000. Let's see, 1,000. Oops, 1,000. But I definitely am going to figure out to make sure we can get the video, baby, because that's what we want to do. We want it to be a video, right? A video. Okay? All right. Okay. So all I did was just resize the image itself. And then you see, boop, 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 boop. Okay. And so we're just going to download these as a JPEG and then upload them to a folder, the same situation. So we're going to download these as a JPEG. And then I'm going to go ahead and upload them to the software. I'm going to go here to settings. I can use the same exact captions though, so I don't have to worry about that. So I'm going to go here to media, and then we're going to go into open media, and I'm going to find a folder. I think I created one for social media posting. There you go. And then we're going to go, oh, I do have my videos up here for that. I didn't even realize. Okay, so then we're going to go here to the download and just upload those images separately, okay? And then I'm gonna make sure I work on to show y'all how to do these reels, because I know we can do it. It's user error. User error, y'all. User error. Okay, so let's go ahead and copy these ones. So we're going to go ahead and copy these into the spreadsheet as well. Okay. Boom. Oops. All right. So image URL goes here. Okay. You see it's playing the video though. So I don't know, chat. Okay. We're gonna go back over here. 1, 2. Which, by the way, just so y'all know, our all-in-one software literally does everything for you guys. If you need to be able to host your courses, it does it. If you need to be able to create automation as far as emails, text messaging, dialing out, all types of stuff, it does it. Guys, our software also tracks all of your ads for those of you guys who are running ads. It also will allow you to create calendar links. So if people need to schedule and book calendars with you, if you need to send out invoices, it does literally everything that you need, guys, to run your business all in one. And I have been using this now for, oh, look at this, for several months, y'all. I absolutely love this software. It is life-changing, revolutionary. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I feel like we're missing one. Are we missing one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are, but that's okay. We're just gonna go ahead and go with it. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna save this one as just. Oh, let me update the time. 2:17 to make it say 3:40, 3:50. Okay. All right. So we're gonna do this just as images. Save. I gotta export it as a CSV. Export to CSV. All right, pictures, documents. Okay, so let's go ahead and upload that real quick. We're gonna go back. If you want more information, we do not sell the software, guys. It is only available to individuals who are a part of Book Profits Club. Remember, we work with speakers, coaches, and network marketers who are actually authors, and we show them how to leverage their books to be able to produce multiple streams of income. The reason why we don't sell the software as a service is because we provide a lot of templates, designs, and things of that nature. What we're really specifically wanting to show you guys how to do is how to use this software to generate a business, or to have a business that's going to generate multiple 6 figures for you. So we need you to be able to, of course, have the software in order to make it work, right? All right. Okay, so now we've gone ahead and processed the post itself. And so we'll see how that actually goes and works. Let me see here. CSV, okay, review and scheduled. I have it set up where it's going automatically in draft. So I need to figure out why is it doing that. And then once I figure out why it's doing that, then we'll be able to get that good, right? So TikTok only supports videos, which I knew was going to say that. So you can only, of course, upload videos to TikTok. But let's check out our settings here, so that we can know that everything is going to go automatically. You can also have it to set up to go to your Google pages. If you guys have Google pages, let me connect to my Twitter profile too, child, while we here. Oh, I'm gonna reauthorize everything. There we go. Okay, let's see here. That's connected. Let's reconnect this. Instagram. Or delete it and re-add it. Continue. I don't see it doing that, and I'm gonna delete it. Delete. Log in. You see how easy it is to just kind of refresh it. Just delete it and then re-add. I don't know what it was doing over here, baby. Okay. Allow. And it might want me to re-add this one. Or you got to install the app onto the page itself. So I don't see why it is making it go. Notifications. Let's see. Oh, select user. Default template. Set up email. Oh no, we don't need that. Notification. We just need it to go. Alright, let's see. Open the planner, child. No, that ain't it. CSV. Review schedule. Okay, so when in doubt, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go here. Another great thing that we make sure that we do is we hire some state of the art customer support, baby. So I'm going to search in the customer support to figure this out because I said to myself I was gonna start using this since our designers have worked so hard. Post in draft. So let's see. Social media posts, bulk post in draft. Bulk. I'll do bulk post social media or social planner. So for those of you guys, if you ever do fall into a situation where you're trying to figure it out, of course, we do have social support for you. And we also provide tech support as well. Here we go, bulk scheduling. So let's see. CSV, new post, upload. Okay, we did all of that. Okay. Okay, CSV in progress, review schedule will be able to edit. Your post will display, click expand icon, the social flags errors. You can view the schedule. So it should just automatically go. I wonder if it's because I put the date. Maybe it's the formatting of the date. Look, and you can do up to 90 posts in one CSV file. Because you saw how like it kind of like redid the date a little bit on its own. See, that's why, you know what? Let me do this. Anyways, how y'all doing today? I pray y'all doing very well. All right, let's see here. Let's try like this. Because that's the problem with this doggone with utilizing the numbers is I think it messed up the formatting of how the dating is supposed to go. So year, just like that. So we're going to try it again. Year, and we're going to make it 2023. Okay. 02 017. The hour is now, you see, it made it 3:50. That's why it's probably doing it to 3:50 in the morning. Lord Jesus. Okay, what we say? 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15, 35. So let's go do 15. What time is it now? 15:55 and 0 seconds. And do not update it. There. Boom. 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 Okay, we're just gonna put all of these like that. Like so, like that. Okay. Watch y'all. I'm gonna be a pro. So the next time I do this video, it's gonna be in under 30 minutes. It's gonna be in under 15 minutes, okay? If you guys are interested in learning more about being a part of Book Profits Club, you can always go to bookprofitsclub.com, but you can also schedule a call with one of our team members just by going to visiondiscoverysession.com. Visiondiscoverysession.com, okay? All right, so we're going to go ahead and attempt to do this one more again. Let's try it one more time. So I'm going to go ahead and file, and I'm going to download this one as a CSV, and we're going to, it's just untitled. Okay, great. So let's go ahead and go over here to the bulk. We're going to go ahead and click on bulk, upload from CSV. We're going to go ahead and do it like so, like this. And then we're going to go to downloads. Here we go, the untitled one. Go ahead and click next. We're going to select all profiles. Now it's got my Instagram selected. Great. And we're going to go ahead and proceed. So now this one is rocking and a rolling. By the way, just so y'all can see, just so you know that this does work, I'm going to create a new post. And I'm just going to say social media like Instagram. I'm going to remove this though because, you know, this is, I'm just training y'all, showing y'all how to do, you know, get this thing did. So social media posting. And we're just going to select, matter of fact, I could select one of these. Oh, did y'all see that? I don't know if y'all saw it. Let me go over here to videos. All right, social media. We're just going to put this one in there. Upload. Oop. No, we just want this one. Is it going to let me select it? Maybe not. Maybe not. Oh, I got to do video. That's why. So videos. social media, select. There we go. So this is a test for y'all to see how it goes down in the get down. Okay, now of course you can always schedule it for later. You could do it individually, but of course we want to do it in bulk. But I'm gonna go ahead and click post, and then I'm going to go ahead and click post now. Oh, hold on, what's that? Aspects need to be your aspect ratio is not applicable. Oh, hold up. I got the wrong thing? Oh, maybe that's why. It's not doing the real. Hold up, let me see. 4 by 5, 16 by 19. 16 by 9. Oh, hold up. Now y'all tripping, because I searched Instagram Reel. Let's resize it to go and 16 by 9. So I'm going to do 9, 16, resize. I'm wondering if that's what was going on. All right. Download. Sorry if y'all are typing to me because I will go back and answer y'all questions, but I'm just over here playing with this so we can make this thing work. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead back to videos, to social media, upload. And that could be why it was the ratio was off. Did you download? Let me see. But it, okay, let me see what y'all talking about while this is taking forever to download. Oh yeah, so Canva is official. Canva can definitely create in bulk your post for you. I did not know that either. So I can show you, I'll show that to y'all one more time just so y'all can see. So you can literally create a ton of posts automatically with Canva. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you something that's going to look, I want to make it look a little bit more customized because this looks whack to me. It's just, you know, I wanted to show y'all an easy way, but then I'm going to show y'all like a design that I made and how to make it look real customized. You know what I'm saying? Okay. All right. Are y'all still here? If y'all are still here, let me know in the chat space. Okay. All right. So we just uploaded that one. And we're going to remove you. Delete. It is tripping because it is still, this is correct. Yeah, I might have to look to see the videos. It won't let me do it. But it just let me do it on the Facebook. Okay, let me see. I wonder though. So let me show you the Facebook page though. Watch, I'm gonna wake up. It's gonna be a ton of video, ton of posts on my timeline. Cause I'm over here playing around with it with y'all. This is how I learned software though. And because our software, we've had this social media planner for a long time, and I have just been hesitant at using it. I decided that I was going to start playing around with it, but the Canva design in bulk was just fire, and that's when I was like, okay, Taria, this is a great time to really learn how to use this software. For those people who are always like, Taria, you're just such a techie, you know how to use this stuff and maneuver. It's just honestly, guys, what I do is I allocate time to learn how to use certain softwares that I know that are going to make my life easier. Hey, Roz. Hey, Moneta. Hello. No, you don't need a social media manager. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna tell y'all, no shade, no tea, and I don't want, here it is. So you see the post? Look. But see, it posted it as a video, so I have to double check to see how to make sure that they post as reels. However, it might be that right now we got to wait on some tech updates. We might not be able to post reels just yet on the social planner. So for now, we might only be able to post images because it's looking like that's why it wasn't posting it. That's what it looks like, right? So anyway, so let me go back to it, but it definitely, as you can see, will post all types of other images that you want, right? So if you want images, but if I was to tell you about having a social media manager, really, I would have more of a person who's more strategic as far as like what kind of content to help you with the right content. But the truth is, y'all, really, your social media is for giving tips, for giving value. And a lot of times when I look on people's social media, where they're messing up is they're trying to sell stuff on their social media. And social media is not for selling. I always say your social media is for telling and your database is for selling. So you want to make sure that you are telling on your social. So let's go ahead. I'm going to create a, watch this. So I'm going to create a square image design that I really didn't want to, but that's okay. We just going to do it anyways because this is easy to do and you guys are still watching. And then it's a Friday, and so I'm going to wrap it up and head on home. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So listen, so we're going to go here to Instagram. We're doing a square, and I am going to just find something that's going to be kind of like, that I can use. I feel like it's going to be a dope design. Let's see. Only challenge is that's why I really want to see how we can get reels and videos, because videos are really where the game is right now. You want to be posting a little bit more videos, and even if you can create ways where you can just have a couple of images and then a couple of videos, you know what I'm saying? But really your social media should be about being able to share value, not just a whole lot of random stuff or trying to sell a whole lot of things, right? So here we go. I'm going to use this image right here. And what I'm going to do is we're going to remove the video, of course, because we don't need video for now. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to and upload my picture. Okay. And then what I'm going to do, let me edit that picture. Boom. One new notification. I'm going to say someone is waiting. I ain't going to do it like that. Let me do it like this. Okay, so let's go here to a new spreadsheet. Okay. And we're going to go here to Jasper. And I'm going to put something else. I'm going to tell Jasper to write 7 motivational posts to keep you inspired. I'll say quotes, because sometimes posts it'll make it too long, right? So let's go ahead and see what it comes up with. All right, cool. All right, so we're gonna copy these and I'm gonna paste them into here. We do want to remove this little period looking thing. We don't need that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace all of those. Great. And then we're going to, I wonder if it'll italicize. Like if I italicize it, will it do that when it imports in? We'll see. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and download this spreadsheet as a CSV. Actually, let me save it first. 7 quotes, right? Now, remember, you can also add your own. So I might say someone right now is waiting on you to finish the book. Taria Avant. Like you might be like you ever go to an event, y'all, and somebody just be dropping them nuggets, like major quotes and stuff like that. So for example, I know for a fact I got some quotes. Let me see. Let me search. Quotes. Look at this. I got some dope quotes right here. Don't be a victim to comparison. I don't even know. I don't know who came up with them, but I'll go to conferences and I'll get really dope quotes, right? So look at this. So we got 15, right? So I'm going to go ahead and download this quotes. Download it as quotes. Okay. Now we're going to go back to Canva. So we have this design, and I'm just going to put hashtag book profits. I'm going to do hashtag queen of book. Oops, queen of book profiting. No, I'm going to do like this just in case. No, I'm going to put Book Profits Club. Sorry, y'all. Okay, then I'm going to, is this centered? Yep. Okay, then I don't want that color. I'm going to use my brand colors. Boom. We're going to make this white. And I don't want it so faded. Okay, and then we're going to move this up. And then I'm going to make a background of book money. Let's see what they got. I don't want videos. I just want photos. Okay. Okay, that's cool. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and import in those images, right? So we already have the Bolt Create. If you don't have it, you're going to go here to apps to click on Bolt Create. So we're going to click on that and we're going to upload the CSV file. Here it is, quotes. Great. Then you're going to right click right here in the text where you want to add it and click on Connect Data. You're going to click on that file that you just uploaded and click Continue. And then go ahead and click Generate, and now it's going to create all of your quotes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if you want to switch and interchange your images, of course you can always interchange the images. It doesn't always have to be the same exact image. Okay? All right. So, right, like for example, I have a ton of different images. Media.TariaAvant.com. This is a one-pager that we create in the software, by the way. It's a software design. And then I have a folder of all of like my different images. So I'm just going to, just for the purpose of time, I'm going to hurry up. Because I know y'all over this. And y'all ready to go try it out. Okay, let's go ahead and download these close-ups. Of course, I got a ton more, right? And then we're going to go ahead and upload the close-ups to the here. So let me go ahead and click downloads and boom. Okay. And we're going to upload them. To here. Great. So then let's go ahead and look at what we got. Of course, you might have to tweak some of this stuff. You see, like right here, just got to move it down a little bit. It honestly, while y'all talking about a social media manager, really all you need for something like this is a virtual assistant that you could pay $4 an hour for. They could create this for you. You understand what I'm saying? You could create a list of quotes and tips and things like that, which as y'all can see, it's not hard to really find some quotes and tips. And then you have Confucius. And then you just go ahead. I think the only reason why it's pushing this up is because I personally pushed up the quote. So if I wouldn't have done that, we wouldn't have had that problem. One new notification. Right? And so what I want to do is I want to, I don't want all the same image. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Okay. Boom. All right. So let's go ahead and switch up these images. Put you in there. Hi, you. Hey. What's up, girl? Boom. Boom. Yes. Work. Work. Cover girl. Work. Uh, okay. Honey, that's what you do when you put that makeup on there. Okay. Boom. Boom. That picture is like, excuse me? What we talking about? You know what I'm saying? Boom. And boom. Okay, we're gonna put you in there. Great. So now we're gonna go ahead and download these images, and then we have to upload them, of course, to the spreadsheet. So we're gonna download them as a JPEG, and we're gonna go boom. Now, for a lot of times, especially like a quote like this, you really don't need to have captions, right? So we're not gonna do a lot of caption. We're just gonna say if you need some help with marketing. So in the software, I'm gonna go to settings. And then I want to go into the media right here. And I'm going to go into my social media posting right here. And I'm going to upload those images that we just created. See, the next time I do the video, I'm going to be on and popping. Okay. Go ahead and click open. Now we just want to go ahead and create the links for each one of these. So to make things easier, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make these go side by side. I have a wide monitor. So y'all need to get y'all one. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and delete these. And we're going to update these times as well. Oh, this might be... Let me see. Oh, yeah, the caption. I'm sorry. I want to use the same caption. I'm going to use that caption. Okay. So I'm just going to have a standard caption that I use all the time, okay? What you doing? As y'all can see, I don't have no patience for slowness. Computer is acting up. Let me close numbers out. It's probably numbers is tripping and fill away because it wasn't standing up to what it needed to be doing. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take each one of these images and just copy the link, and we're going to paste it into the spreadsheet when we're able to get the spreadsheet to start working. Okay? It's not working right now. Okay, here we go. So we're going to go ahead and update these dates and times to, I'm going to go ahead and update it to, what time is it right now? Okay, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I'm going to update this to be 16, 20, 16, oops, 16, 1800. Replace all. All right, done. Okay, great. So now we're gonna remove. I got a couple of minutes. All right, so let's go ahead and let me see if it'll figure it out. 2327. No, it did not. I was trying to see if it was going, you know. Let's see here. Okay, so we gotta hurry up. 22. No, we do not want you doing that. Keep the same format, please. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay, and then we're just gonna keep the same thing. Now keep in mind, even though I have stuff that's automated on here, I'm still gonna, you know, do my other videos and things like that, right? Okay? Okay, so copy link. We're gonna paste you in there. Boom. Copy link. Paste you in there. Boom. Copy link. Paste you in there. Again, you can have a whole virtual assistant do this for you. You just give them a list of stuff you like. You make sure you like the template that they make for you. They make like a standard template, and you can say you can interchange certain things just like this. And notice I just used the template that I got on Canva. Hit the link. Now again, I'm gonna tell y'all this, for those still listening. If this is all you think you need to do with social media, this is not it. Just putting quotes on your timeline does not work anymore. Guys, you actually have to give some value. You got to give training. You got to give tips. You cannot be afraid to give value to your audience. If you're not giving value, they're going to go find it somewhere else. So you don't just only put a whole lot of quotes. It used to be a time where people just, that's all they wanted to do, but that does not work anymore. So you got to be able to post reels. You got to be able to post, content, but at least have some filler type content. That's what I'm calling this. This is like filler content, right? So, all right. So good. I got enough time. I'm gonna go ahead and download this CSV file, and let's go ahead and see if we can get this baby to upload. All right. So we're going to go ahead and go back. I'm going to click on go to marketing in the BPC system. And then I'm going to go to the social planner again. We're going to go ahead and click on new and upload from CSV. And here we go. We're going to go ahead and upload that untitled spreadsheet that we just downloaded from online. Then we're going to select all social profiles that we can select. I got to reconnect the Book Profits Club. And then we're going to go ahead and click proceed. And boom. And so now it is already set up. So in that few short minutes, I was able to create a design, create the caption, which is just the same caption, create it, upload it to the folder, and now load it to be processed. And so then we're just going to go ahead and wait. Let's see, we have a minute before it is 18 minutes after the hour. So we want to see if this is going to process or not. All right. Okay, so let's see if we 2 errors. Okay, and that's right. I keep forgetting you cannot post it to TikTok, right? So of course it's not going to post to TikTok. February. This one it went behind, so it took longer than the minute, but we still have this schedule, and then it's got these other ones. But I know for a fact this one's it probably went over time. Yeah, already in the past. So I'm going to update just that one because y'all know I just really want to make it see the bulk work. You know what I'm saying? Like, can the bulk just work for me one time? I just want to see the bulk work. So let's see. We're going to go ahead and put 20, and then I will open it up for if anybody has any questions. Let's go ahead and download CSV. All right. Okay, let's go to here, upload, and we're going to use you. Let's go ahead and click next. I'm going to select all except, I don't know if it's, what's the other one that is giving me an error on, but we'll do like that. It might be that it won't let me post the 2 accounts on LinkedIn. So let's go ahead and post that in progress. All right, hurry up before it hits 20 minutes after. Let me see what it was saying. TikTok supports video. TikTok need video to create a post. Okay, that is just saying TikTok twice. Okay, so let's go back and see. The schedule is already in the past. Bruh, no it is not. Am I wrong? What time is it? Oh, it's doing Eastern Standard Time. Why y'all ain't tell me? I'm on Central. Y'all probably was telling me that too. Let me do it again. Lord Jesus. It's 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock in where y'all at. Let me do it again. Do I got no. Child, so that's probably why the other one ain't posted did. Okay. All right, let's go ahead. Download. Well, we learning together, y'all. This is how we do. All right. Okay, so let me go ahead and upload. Hurry up before it become past time again. Hurry up. I ain't digging my nose or nothing yet when I was on video. I forgot. I hope I didn't. I'll be forgetting sometimes. I'm on live. Yes, I do sit up in here sometimes and have conversations with myself while I'm working. Okay, let's wait for that to come on up. What y'all talking about over here? In love with the graphic. Oh, thank you. Love the quotes. Thank you. Good information given. Canva's a hidden gem. Absolutely. And so is the BPC system. Social media is for telling your database. Yes, database is for selling, y'all. You gotta be given tips. Like, don't nobody just want to see you keep selling the buy. You gotta be willing to give those tips on your social media. Give training, give value. Read from your book, authors. Right? Read from your book. And then in between there, of course, you can throw in a couple quotes and things like that, utilizing this. But you can also use the same design and create some tips. All right, let's see. Oh, this joint is playing with me now. Because that was not behind time. I'm just about to be over it. So over it. Okay. All right, let's try one more time. All right, upload. I haven't even checked out the templates. I don't know what that is yet. I gotta see. My designers ain't, my tech team. We ain't hear much about what the templates is gonna do. That's a thing when you got a tech team that's proactive, honey. They'll create a lot of stuff for you, and you don't know what the heck is going on. Let me see. What is this? See, like, I don't really know. I gotta play with this. Because basically, I'm thinking, can you go in here and edit this? Or they just already give you this? Oh, these are just already templates available for you guys. So if you're in the real estate or landscape, it's already available. Tax services. We know it's tax time. So you could just literally just go in here and use this for some of you guys who are in these service-based businesses. Restaurant, mortgage, business coaching. Like, I could literally just go ahead and post this to my timeline. Okay, anyways, let's go back over here and see if it's still tripping. Scheduled date is already in the past. What time is it? 5:23. Bruh. It's today the 17th. Yes, it is. 2023. Yeah, it's keep on wanting me. It keep putting it in the past. I don't know. I'll play with some more. All right. So anyways, guys, I pray that this was pretty good for you guys. I'm going to do another video, though. I really was just testing this out to see how it works. We've been up here for an hour and 17 minutes. But I do know that we could be able to get this done less than 30 minutes, probably even 15 minutes to create a series of social media posts. I probably should have scheduled it in advance to be at least, I probably should have scheduled it to be at least about 15 minutes in advance. Instead, I'm trying to do it 1 minute and test it out. But definitely a super dope tool. So the 3 tools that we used Jasper, which is a artificial intelligence software, and I've got mixed feelings about utilizing AI. The thing is, a lot of people complain about it, and yes, I complain about it as well because it's literally taken over. But the question is, well, when they say, well, don't use it, we can't use it. I mean, does that work? Is that gonna work? I don't know. So if it's going to help me to reduce my time, of course, whenever I utilize AI, though, I make sure that I go back and double check to read, make sure that it makes sense, that it's actually something that I would say. And then, of course, I add my own flavor onto it. We also use Canva. And so you use your AI to create some quotes or give you some ideas. Of course, you can have your own. And then you use Canva to import your spreadsheet of your different captions or different quotes or tips. And then you use the Canva to export them all in the different designs. And then you can use your social planner from the BPC system to upload. But of course, I have not been able to get it in bulk. You can, of course, individually upload each one individually, which is absolutely okay to do as well. But I don't want to do that, honey. I want to do it in bulk so that we can set it and forget it. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, so y'all stay tuned. Make sure wherever you guys are watching this, make sure to turn on the notifications. Most importantly, the easiest way not to miss anything is to go to my YouTube channel and or to go to YouTube and search Vision Avant. When you search Vision Avant, you'll find my YouTube channel. Go ahead and subscribe and make sure to turn on the notifications and you guys will get more because I plan on doing some more of these. I'm going to do a shorter version of this just so you can see the steps. Boom, boom, boom. But I wanted to test this out with you guys just so that y'all can see how easy it is and even to explore the BPC system. We have a lot of our Book Profits Club members who are not even touching like 10% of what this software can do. And this software is amazing. By the way, on top of that, when somebody then comments on one of my social media posts within the software, I could then go back and reply to all those different, I could just use a lot of the software all in one. And so you don't have to have all these different softwares. You could even create automations where if somebody sends you a DM from a post, say they send you a specific DM, you say on the post, if you want to know how to get help, DM me money. And then you can create an automation. As soon as you get that DM money, then it'll get an automatic reply. And you can do all of this from the all-in-one software. So it's an amazing, amazing software. If you are a speaker, if you are a coach, if you're in network marketing and you need a software to help you guys, you need to look into the Book Profits Club. All right, y'all. Y'all have a wonderful day. God bless you all. Talk to y'all later.